Assalamu alaikum children. Lesson 9 is completed now. Lesson 10, a beautiful home. A beautiful home, page number 25. So I will read the first point and then explain. I will read point by point, then give you the explanation. So the first one, let's keep our home and its surrounding clean. Let's keep our home and its surrounding clean. So we have to keep our home and our surrounding clean. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us that cleanliness is half of our faith. So cleanliness is not only making yourself clean by combing the hair, brushing the teeth, okay, but also having a clean environment. Okay, clean environment. You have to have a clean surrounding. Surrounding means what is surrounded by you. If you take your house, you have your garden, your room, kitchen. So that is surrounding. So you'll have to make them clean and beautiful. If you have a clean environment, then you can have a healthy life. The second point, we should sweep the garden and keep it look nice. We should sweep the garden and keep it look nice. We have to sweep the garden. There will be a garden in your home, even a small garden. So we have to sweep. Okay, even if it's small one, we have to sweep. There must be fallen leaves from the plants or trees you have. So you have to sweep and put them into a separate bin. So in your garden you can plant all the vegetables. If you don't have a garden, you can start having a garden. Okay, then you can plant all the vegetable and flowers. So flowers give you good fragrance and make your garden look pretty and pleasant. So you all can have a garden, or for those who have garden already, you all can plant vegetables because it is very useful. Third point, put the dirt and leaves into a bin. Put the dirt and leaves into a bin. You have to put all the dirt into a bin and all the leaves that has fallen from the trees or plants. So you all will have plants, small plants, or if you have big trees, then leaves might fall, right? Leaves will fall down from the trees. So you have to take a separate bin. You have to have a separate bin in your garden to collect all that leaf, all that fallen dried leaves. Okay, and you have to have a separate bin for plastics also. So you all will have plastics at home, so you all have to have a separate bin for plastics. The next fourth point, our house should be swept daily. Our house should be swept daily. We have to sweep the floor daily. If we want to keep our home clean, we have to sweep and mop the floor. Fifth point, we should arrange our bed, our clothes, our toys, our books and keep them all neatly. We should arrange our bed, our clothes, our toys, our books and keep them all neatly. Okay, we have to keep the books that we have. Even your books must be kept inside your bookshelf properly and neatly. You have to manage things and arrange them properly in the proper places. Next point, sixth one and seventh one, everything that we use should be kept in proper place. Everything that we use should be kept in proper place. Growing plants in the garden will make it look beautiful. Growing plant will Growing plants in the garden will make it look beautiful. So hope you all have seen beautiful garden in some homes, right? And home they have lot of plants and it's beautiful. Likewise, you all also can make your home garden beautiful. So you all have to maintain them. You have to take care of the plants. Next page. Keeping our home and its surrounding clean will help us to lead a happy and healthy life. Keeping our home and its surrounding clean help us to lead a happy and healthy life. If we keep our home and our surrounding clean, our garden, our other places at home, like our kitchen, room, that is surrounding, right? So if we keep them clean, we can always lead a healthy and a happy life. See, if you have a mosquito breeding place at your home, or if you have so many cockroach and rats due to not maintaining a proper surrounding, you all will have mosquitoes at home, and then what happens? You will fall sick due to that. So we must always be clean in our surroundings to have a healthy life. Then you have this exercise, that is to draw a beautiful home with a clean garden. That's it, children. This is a very easy lesson. So hope you all understood. I have given a question regarding this also. You all can ask me if you all have missed. So Assalamu alaikum.